you can add extra fields to an SAP table without modifying the table using append structures and customizing includes. If the SAP application developer knows in advance that one of the tables or structures delivered by SAP needs to have customer-specific fields added to it, the SAP developer includes an empty customizing include or CI in the table using an include statement. You can use the same customizing include in multiple tables or structures. This ensures consistency throughout these tables and structures whenever the include is extended. No errors will occur if customizing includes provided by SAP are not implemented.
Append structures may only be assigned to a single table. A table may, however, have several append structures attached to it. Whenever a table is activated, the system searches for all active append structures for that table and attaches them to the table. You can use the fields in append structures in ABAP programs in the same way as any other field in the table. If you copy a table that has an append structure attached to it, the fields in the append structure become normal fields in the target table.
Creating append structures in the customer namespace protects them from being overwritten during a system upgrade. New versions of standard tables are loaded during upgrades. The fields contained in active append structures are then appended to the new standard tables when these new standard tables are activated for the first time. From Release 3.0, the field sequence in the ABAP dictionary can differ from the field sequence in the database. Therefore, no conversion of the database table is necessary when adding an append structure or inserting fields into an existing one. All necessary structure adjustment is taken care of automatically by adjusting the database catalog, alter table. The table definition is changed when it is activated in the ABAP dictionary and the new field is appended to the database table. Customizing includes are part of the customer namespace. The names of all customizing includes begin with CI underscore. This naming convention ensures that the non-existent customizing includes do not lead to errors. The SAP standard software does not deliver any code for customizing includes. You create customizing includes by using special customizing transactions. Some are already part of SAP Enhancements, and you can create them by using project management. The customizing include field names must lie in the customer namespace, just like field names in append structures. The rules for adding the fields of customizing includes to your database are the same as the rules for append structures.
Text enhancements comprise customer-specific field labels and documentation for SAP data elements. Text enhancements function in all SAP applications that use the particular data element. They are global enhancements. SAP application programmers define field labels in different lengths and a short description for each data element. Customers can override the field label texts with customer-specific texts. You can provide new field labels for all screen fields in this way. You can override field labels for only those screen fields for which the developer of the screen has not assigned a description. In such cases, the dictionary modified attribute of the screen field has the value F. The figure shows the procedure to override SAP field labels.
If SAP has redelivered existing field labels as part of a release upgrade, or you import new corrections, you need to restore your customer field labels. If you want to retain your own field labels from the previous release, choose the menu option that restores customer field labels. SAP recommends that you must always restore your field labels after a release upgrade. To undo field label changes, choose the Restore SAP menu option. You can restore field labels by using a program that runs in the background. This program checks all the data elements that you have edited and restores their field labels if necessary. For central field labels such as data elements, BUKRS, MANDT, and so on, start the restoration when the contents of the tables that use BUKRS and MANDT are not being changed.
When you enhance the data element documentation, you can copy the SAP documentation as well as your own. In this case, when you press F1 in the corresponding screen field, the system displays the SAP documentation as well as the customer-specific documentation. You can generate a list of data elements that have been changed and edit the customer documentation by selecting the lines corresponding to the elements. If you want to display the original SAP documentation, delete your own documentation.
When you choose the menu path that is shown in the figure, a dialog box opens in which you have to choose between the original text and template options. Select the original text option to add additional text to the SAP documentation. Select the template option to create customer-specific documentation without including the text from the SAP documentation.